Hello elegant ladies! Welcome to The Elegant Lady, where we celebrate the art of elegance in every aspect of life. Today I'm thrilled to share my honest review of a product that's been making waves in the beauty world, the Dyson Airwrap. Is it worth the hype? Let's find out together! First, let's talk about the materials. The Dyson Airwrap comes in this luxurious leather case, which is perfect for storage. For traveling, you can separately purchase their traveling bag, which is more compact. I think I would have preferred the lid of the case to be connected to the bottom part as in the previous editions. But since I keep it in my wardrobe and I usually don't take the box out, maybe it's actually better this way. I simply put the lid near and take what I need from the case. By the way, I have the limited edition ceramic pink and rose gold Airwrap multi-styler, which was launched for Mother's Day in 2024, and I'm not sure you can buy it anymore, but they have other 3 or 4 color options that you can choose from. Their special edition Airwrap is currently on sale on Amazon for Black Friday, so if you're considering purchasing it, make sure to check my links below. The Dyson Airwrap is a beauty tool that screams elegance and innovation. The device is made from high-quality ceramic and it feels like a premium product. I've had it for about 8 months and it looks like new. It has no scratches even though I've used it constantly, about 2 times per week. Are you passionate about elegance and beauty? If so, I invite you to subscribe to this channel to join our community of elegant ladies and be part of the journey to elegance and beauty. On The Elegant Lady, you'll find a variety of content that celebrates elegance in every aspect of life. From fashion tips and beauty secrets to lifestyle advice and more, there's something for every lady who wants to embrace her inner elegance. Now let's dive into the features. The Dyson Airwrap uses air to style your hair, which means less heat damage. It comes with 6 attachments: the dryer and flyaway smoother, 2 barrels to make curls and waves, and 3 brushes for shaping, volumizing, and styling the hair. Now let me show you how each attachment works. The ones that I use the most are the pre-styling dryer to get my hair to the right dampness, and then the small curling barrel for tight curls. What's unique about this is the Quanda effect, which attracts and wraps hair around the barrel using only air. No extreme heat, which is a big plus for hair health. I have very straight, fine hair, so unfortunately the curls don't hold more than a day. But I never had, even after using a curling iron, so I'm used to that. I'm still looking for a styling product that can help keep my curls longer. If you have any recommendations, please leave a comment below. Even so, I love how my hair looks the following day. The curls become very loose, giving my hair the appearance of a fresh blowout. I rarely use the brushes, but for those sleek straight looks, the smoothing brush is really nice. It tames frizz and adds shine, making it perfect for an elegant finish. I only use the round brush twice, I think, but as I previously said, for a blowout effect, I prefer to use the curling barrel and wait for the curls to get loose. Each attachment is designed to give you a salon quality finish at home. As someone with no hairstyling expertise, I can confirm that my hair has never looked this beautifully styled on a daily basis. After using the Dyson Airwrap, here are my thoughts. It's versatile, easy to use, and gentle on the hair. The results are salon quality and I love how it reduces the styling time. However, the price point is quite high and there's a bit of a learning curve. But if you're someone who loves experimenting with hairstyles, it might just be worth the investment. In conclusion, the Dyson Airwrap is a game changer for those who want to elevate their hair routine. If you're considering purchasing it, now would be the best time as it's available at a significant discount on Amazon for Black Friday. Check the link in the description below. I hope this review helps you to make a more informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like button and leave a comment with topics that you would like me to bring on this channel. Subscribe to The Elegant Lady for more elegant beauty tips and also make sure to follow The Elegant Lady Instagram page. Now watch my next video where I will share with you my honest review of the Olaplex shampoo and conditioner. I will see you there and until then, stay elegant, ladies!